Hello guys, how are you? Hope you all are doing well. Today I'm back with one of the most interesting video. In this video tutorial guys, we will learn how to change screen recording resolution, or if you want to set custom resolution for your screen recording on your Android device. So at that time you can follow this easy and simple method. Just you don't need to do any extra hard work. Just simply open your Android phone settings. In the phone settings, find out the accessibility option, and in the accessibility scroll down and find out here you can get the option screen recording. Just tap and open it. If you are facing difficulty to find out this particular option, just in the home screen of your setting page, just search screen recording and open the screen recording setting, okay, like this. And here you can get the option custom. So just tap on it. From here you can get the option to set high, medium, low, or if you want to set the custom resolution, from here you need to set custom and select the resolution from here like this as per your choice, okay. So this is the way to do this. So I want to set it for medium like this. So from here guys, you can easily able to change the screen recording resolution, or if you want to set the custom resolution, from here you can easily able to do this. So that's what guys, hope you enjoy this video. If you enjoy, please guys like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you very much.